someone's here and someone's sleeping, so my voice is not that loud. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. Let's start, even though I'm already. So yeah. Hair is short. Sorry, cause someone's talking. Speed that. Speed that. Don't mind that. Don't listen to it. Don't listen. Ow. There. So a tree. That's the small. That's the normal. There's the fluffy one and big. See? I know it's big. I don't know. I think it's small. But this is the small as I definitely know. Oh, it's the TV, guys. You're wondering why I have this? Sister, if you're seeing this, I borrowed this. There's no sound. And also, Tagalog and Bisaya. I don't really know. But yeah. It's good. I think I'm done. It's not that tangled. Okay. Oop. It's not that tangled. Looks good. Only the towel is like so hard, but when you brush it, should I pick this or this or this? Let's do all. Wait, let me try. One first, then two. Then last. Oh, I think I'm not gonna tie this. But no. No, I think I'm just gonna go with this. Is it good? I'm actually scared because I don't know what I'm scared of. But I think I would choose. This one's kind of girly. Now it's time to use this. No, oh yeah. So they're two. It's not little. Just a little, just a little. See, it's a little. Right, guys? Don't tell me that wasn't a little. Okay, just a little bit more. Oh, but that's okay. That's like a little. Bye. See you in the next video. It didn't work. It didn't work again. 1, a 2, a 3.